Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. My name is Jordan. If you're new here, what's up? As you can see, face is already done. So you know what you're getting yourself into. Today I created this fall bold brown smoky makeup look. It went a different path than I was expecting it to, but I'm honestly kind of obsessed with how it looks. It's super smoky, super dark, super bold, and I love it. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, so this is my third time attempting to freaking do this. Also, I was going to try and recreate a picture of fall makeup that I found, and it just wasn't going well because there was like a wine burgundy color in there, and I just like couldn't get the right pigment payoff from the shadows that I'm using. So we are ditching that plan and we're gonna go and just create my own look. So my brows are done, eyeshadow base is done, and I'm gonna go in with the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia. Hi. And then I might dip into a few shades of this 3502 palette from Morphe. I'm going to start off with the Soft Glam palette, and I'm going to go in with Orange Soda, which is this one right there. It's a really nice, just like light orange-ish shade. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe M441 and take her in my crease. This is definitely a shade you have to build up, which is fine. That's how you should do it anyways. Start with a little bit and then build, because once it's on there, you literally like can't take it away unless you blend your heart out for like hours, and I don't have the time or patience for that. So I'm just going to go in little bits at a time. I think I'm going to do a half cut crease now. I was trying to do like a matte halo eye before, and I think that's where I went wrong because I don't know. Oh, my back really fucking hurts. Ow. What's new? It always hurts. So I think I'm gonna do half cut crease. And then I'm gonna just go in and deepen it. This is gonna be a very classic, easy, simple, bronzy fall look. But I'm gonna take my Morphe M433 and just take the burnt orange shade that's directly underneath Orange Soda, and I'm just going to take it and deepen the crease up because that's what we do over here. Okay, so I just like did the other eye because I realized that I wasn't doing it. I'm just going to take a smaller brush now, the Colourpop. I don't actually know what brush this is, but it's just like a flat brush. And I'm gonna take Rustic, this one from the Soft Glam palette, and just again deepen the crease even more. Like I said, this is gonna be a very classic, easy, basic fall look. Sue me, okay? So once I'm happy with how it is looking, I'm going to go back in with a M441 and just blend it out with the excess of the lighter colors that's on there. Cool. I'm literally the worst. I'm like, blend it. Okay, cool. Okay. Whatever. If you came here for a Desi Perkins ass makeup tutorial, you are in the wrong place, boy. Okay. So I think next I'm going to go in with my Colourpop E9 brush, and I'm going to go in with a little bit of Mold Berry. That's the corner shade here. Just to give a little bit of oomph. You feel me? You know what I mean? But like just in the corner here. Like just right here. Just to give it a little spice, little little pumpkin spice. No, I'm kidding. Sorry, I hate myself. I can't believe I just fucking said that. Okay, whatever. That didn't do a whole lot. Okay, whatever. It's there. It's on. I have to do it on the other eye now. Okay. So that's done. That's there. What I'm gonna do, I think, is put a little bit of shimmer just on the lid. I'm not even gonna cut the crease. Like, it's just gonna be a very, very basic, simple half cut crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade Fairy that's right here and just put it on my lid. Oh my god, she's like butter. Oh, she's breaking up like butter. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go, that's placed, that's great. That color literally went on effortlessly. I'm obsessed. I'm just gonna blend out the edge a little bit, mixing Mulberry and Rustic onto my E9 brush and just going to lightly and carefully blend out the outer corner and just into the crease a little bit. Boom. Oh, it's all over my eyelashes. So I guess next up is lashes. Lashes literally make a whole lot come together, so I'm kind of fucking excited to put these on. I'm just gonna use my House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. They're literally on my finger right now, so that's why they're not in the box. And my Duo Lash Glue. Are we shocked? No. Let's see if I can get this in one try, because I never can. I always have to take them off and redo it. So let's see if I can do this today. Round 2, beach. Okay, what's going on? This worked. Both of them in one try. Okay, well, time to connect my real lashes with the fake ones with mascara. I'm just gonna use the Tarte Light Caramel Lashes. Okay, so the eyes are done. I just have to brush off Follow. And now let's go in and do the face, because I haven't been sitting here for 3 hours already. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go in with the face. I'm kind of gonna do it quickly because like this look is mostly about the eyes. But I'm just gonna do the Milani Prime Light Primer, put it all over, oh god, she's exploding. Put it all over my face. Oh shit. Okay, so then I'm gonna do my foundation, and I'm gonna mix my Armani Power Fabric Foundation. Actually, I'm just gonna use the Armani Power Fabric Foundation. I lied. I love this stuff so much. I have to buy more soon, and I'm kind of dreading that. I'm gonna do concealer, I'm going to use the Fenty Concealer. Okay, so I'm going to get like beaten up for this, but I'm starting to not like this Fenty Concealer all that much. Like, I've been using it. I got it like really close to around the time it came out. Like, I literally think I got it a week after it came out. And I've been using it, and I liked it when I first started using it, but now, I don't know if I still like it. I'm kind of struggling with deciding if I like it or not. Like, sometimes it works really well for me. Other times it's so cakey and creasy, and I'm kind of like, okay, so it may be my skin, but at the same time I'm kind of like, girl, like I don't wanna have to have different concealers for different skin days. Like, just work for me. So I don't really know what to do. Like, I'm gonna keep using it until like I'm finished with it, obviously, because like I'm not gonna waste it, especially because like it is like a good concealer sometimes for me. But I don't know, like I've just kind of like started to not be like as obsessed with it as I was, which I was like not expecting, because when it first came out and I first got it, I was so in love with it that now I'm kind of like, what do you mean? Like, what happened? Like, why isn't it working for me all of a sudden? So I'm just going in to set everything with the Too Faced Peach Perfect powder. Again, not totally obsessed with this, but I have it and I need to use it up, so whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Powder. This one I am really obsessed with. I really like this one. And I know it's kind of older too. I don't have like a ton of like newer makeup. Like, I haven't been buying makeup a lot lately, which I'm kind of like, should I be buying makeup again? Which like I probably should. Like, I need so many things. I need a new primer. I need more foundation. I need a new concealer, apparently. So then I'm going to go in with contour, and I'm going to do the e.l.f. contour palette on the Morphe M523 brush. And I just mix the bottom two colors. Like, I literally just do this with my brush with the bottom two colors. And then so I'm going to go in with the Colourpop Between the Sheets blush. Ew, I just like spit. Remember when this was the absolute biggest flex ever? I'm like kind of still really like this blush. It's really pink, but I don't know. Like, it's fine. That's that. Then I'm going to take the Dose of Colors DesixKaty Mira May highlighter. This is like the prettiest highlighter I own. I'm so obsessed with it. Okay, so the face is done. I'm gonna actually, oh shit, oh my god, I can't believe I forgot to do this. I have to do my lower lash line now that the face is done. So I'm kind of just gonna take every single color that I use, like the orange soda, burnt orange, rustic, and mulberry, all underneath my waterline, and kind of just smoke it out. So I'm gonna speed through this really quick. And I'm just going to take another little brush. This is just a basic flat brush. And I'm going to take Tempura from the Soft Glam palette. This one right in the corner. It's just like a matte bone shade. And, oh, fuck. Okay, cool. I'm going to put it on my brow bone. And then in the inner corner, just to keep, like, to make it a little bit bright. And open the eyes, but to keep all the focus, like, on the actual look. And voila. Okay, so I just added a little bit of brown lip because I felt the gold was just too washing out. So I used the Tarte Lip Paint in Choker. So this is the final look. This is a very bold, smoky brown fall look that's perfect for date night, going out in the fall. And thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. I'm hoping to do more fall looks because honestly, like, I thrive in the fall. Everything about me thrives in the fall. Like, I do, my clothes do. My mental health doesn't, but that's besides the point. So yeah, but that's it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Like I literally just said, I'm going crazy. I'm so crazy today. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!